Welcome to Eco Wealth Lab, where we delve into the intricate dynamics of the economy and personal finance, offering you insightful analysis, practical tips, and in-depth discussions to help you navigate the world of wealth and investment with confidence and clarity. Imagine navigating a job market where the number of available jobs remains constant, but the unemployment rate unexpectedly drops. August 2024 has presented us with just this scenario, raising questions about what's driving these trends. Overview of topics. In this video, we'll explore two pivotal aspects of the U.S. job market: the stability of job totals for August and the decline in the unemployment rate to 4.2%. We'll dissect these trends and their broader implications. Purpose of the video. Our goal is to provide a comprehensive analysis of these trends, explaining their significance for the economy, job seekers, and personal finance. We'll also offer practical advice based on these insights. Current job market data. Latest figures. Job totals. In August 2024, job totals remained steady at X million, indicating no significant change from previous months. This stability in employment levels suggests a balanced job market with no dramatic increases or decreases. Unemployment rate. The unemployment rate saw a notable decrease to 4.2%, down from 4.8% last year. This drop indicates an improvement in the availability of jobs relative to the number of job seekers. Visual representation. Charts and graphs. Use a line graph to show the trend of job totals over the past year, illustrating stability. Include a bar chart comparing the current unemployment rate with historical data, highlighting the decline. Present a timeline of key economic events impacting the job market, such as major policy changes, economic stimulus measures, and global events. Historical context. Past trends. To contextualize, unemployment rates reached a peak of 14.8% during the COVID-19 pandemic. The current rate of 4.2% reflects significant recovery from those unprecedented times. Economic cycles. Historically, unemployment rates fluctuate with economic cycles. For instance, during the 2008 financial crisis, unemployment soared to 10%. Understanding these cycles helps us grasp the current economic stability. Economic implications. Stable job totals. Definition and explanation. Stable job totals mean that while the job market is not experiencing a surge in new job creation, it is maintaining a consistent number of employment opportunities. This reflects a steady economic environment without significant disruptions. Impact on employers. This stability might suggest that businesses are holding their current workforce steady, possibly due to uncertainties about the future economic climate or shifts in consumer behavior. It reflects cautious optimism rather than aggressive expansion. Falling unemployment rate. Significance of the drop. A decreasing unemployment rate generally indicates that more individuals are securing jobs, which is a positive sign of economic health. It suggests that the job market is improving and more people are finding employment opportunities. Broader economic effects. When the unemployment rate falls, it often leads to increased consumer confidence and spending. More employed individuals have higher disposable income, which can drive economic growth and stimulate various sectors of the economy. Implications for job seekers. Opportunities in a stable job market. Current climate. Despite the stability in job totals, opportunities still exist, especially in sectors experiencing growth. Industries such as technology, healthcare, and renewable energy are showing strong potential for job creation. Advice for job seekers. Target industries that are still expanding and focus on roles that align with these growth areas. Research companies that are actively hiring and tailor your job search towards these sectors. Career planning strategies. Networking and skill development. In a stable job market, enhancing your professional network and skill set is crucial. Attend industry conferences, participate in webinars, and seek out networking opportunities to connect with potential employers and industry professionals. Tailoring your resume. Adapt your resume to highlight skills and experiences that match the demands of growing industries. Emphasize your adaptability, technical skills, and any relevant achievements that showcase your qualifications and readiness for new opportunities. Financial implications. Impact on personal finances. Income stability. Stable job totals provide a reliable income source, which is essential for managing personal finances effectively. Consistent income helps with budgeting, saving for future goals, and maintaining financial security. Savings and investments. With steady employment, you may feel more confident in making long-term financial decisions. Consider reviewing and adjusting your investment strategy to align with the current economic environment. Diversify your portfolio to manage risk and capitalize on potential growth. Economic indicators to monitor. Additional indicators. Besides unemployment rates, monitor other economic indicators such as inflation, wage growth, and interest rates. These factors influence your financial situation and can affect decisions regarding investments and savings. Inflation and wage growth. Rising inflation can impact your purchasing power, while wage growth can increase your disposable income. Stay informed about these trends to make adjustments to your financial strategies and ensure your investments are aligned with current economic conditions. Interesting facts and insights. Historical trends. Economic cycles and job markets. Economic cycles have a significant impact on job markets. For example, the 1970s oil crisis led to a dramatic rise in unemployment due to economic instability and inflation. Understanding these cycles provides valuable context for interpreting current trends. Long-term trends. Historically, job markets recover from recessions over time. The current stability and improvement in job market figures reflect a period of economic recovery, demonstrating the resilience of the job market and the broader economy. Global comparisons. Comparative analysis. How does the U.S. job market compare to other countries? For instance, Germany typically experiences lower unemployment rates due to strong vocational training systems and comprehensive labor market policies. International insights. Examining job markets globally can offer additional insights into how different economies manage employment. Countries with effective labor policies and social safety nets often exhibit different trends, providing a broader perspective on employment and economic stability. Engaging content. Expert opinions. Quotes and insights. Incorporate expert opinions to provide depth. For instance, Economist Dr. Jane Smith highlights that the combination of stable job totals and a declining unemployment rate reflects a cautious but optimistic outlook for the U.S. job market. Viewer interaction. Encouragement. Encourage viewers to participate in the discussion. How has the current job market affected your career prospects or job search? Share your experiences in the comments below and join the conversation. Interactive polls. Include interactive elements such as polls or questions. Which industry do you believe will experience the most growth in the coming year? Cast your vote and let us know your predictions. Conclusion. Summary of key points. Recap the main topics discussed: the stability in job totals and the decline in the unemployment rate. Reinforce the implications for the economy, job seekers, and personal finance. Call to action. If you found this video informative, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for updates on future content related to the economy and personal finance. Teaser for next video. In our next video, we'll explore the latest trends in remote work and how these developments are shaping the future of employment. Stay tuned for more insights. See ya!